So good day everyone. So today we will going to continue our general education examination. Let's have the question number 31. So you have 10 seconds to answer the question. Okay, time is up. So the answer for this question is letter D, Wundt. Because Wundt considered as the father of modern psychology for establishing the first psychology laboratory in 1879, making psychology a scientific discipline. And Watson is incorrect because he is known as the father of behaviorism, not modern psychology as a whole, and also not Skinner because he is a major figure of behaviorism, especially operant conditioning, but not the founder of modern psychology. Thorndike is also incorrect because he also known as the law of effect and contributions to educational psychology. Okay, let's have number 32. Okay, time is up. So the answer for this number is letter C, Castrillo, because Eduardo Castillo is renowned Filipino sculptor known for landmark monuments and public structures such as the People Power Monument. Jacinto is not known as a sculptor of landmark structures. Manansala is a famous Filipino painter, not a sculptor. And the last one, Cuevas is known as primarily as a painter, not for large sculptural landmarks. Okay, next number. Okay, time is up. So the answer for this one is letter D, 30 days. Because it is under the Philippine Constitution, an enrolled bill comes a law if the president does not sign or veto it within 30 days from receipt. So letter A, 75 days is not provided in the Philippine Constitution. B, 90 days, no constitutional basis for this time frame. And C, 6 days, also not stated in the law-making process. Let's have next number. Okay, time is up. So the answer for this one is letter B, Payne-Aldrich Act, because Payne-Aldrich Act passed in August 1909 by the U.S. Congress. It established partial free trade between the Philippines and the United States. Letter A, Bell Trade Act, is incorrect because it was passed in 1946, not in 1909, and governed post-independence trade relations. Letter C, Treaty of General Relations, is incorrect because it was signed in 1946, marking Philippine independence not related to 1909 trade laws. Letter D, Underwood-Simmons Act, is also incorrect because it was passed in 1913, later expanded free trade but was not in 1909 law. Let's have number 35. Timer starts now. Okay, time is up. So the answer for this one is letter C, Magnolidae. Because Magnolidae is a major group of flowering plants, angiosperms under kingdom Plantae. So prokaryotes belong to kingdom Monera, not a Plantae. Fungi classified under kingdom fungi separate from plants. Letter D rather. Protozoa is also incorrect because it is classified under kingdom Protista, not Plantae. Okay, let's have number 36. Timer starts now. Okay, time is up. So the answer for this one is C, grasshopper. Because grasshopper is an animal that cannot produce its own food. It is heterotrophic. Algae is generally autotrophic, making their own food through photosynthesis. And B, fern, a plant, and therefore autotrophic. And the last one, moss, is also incorrect because it is a photosynthetic plant, thus autotrophic. Let's have next number. Timer starts now. Okay, time is up. So, in how many ways can girl be seated in a row of five seats? A95, B120, C105, D100. So the correct answer for this one is letter B 120 because the number of ways to seat five girls in five seats is five permutations. So it should be 5 times 4, 5 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equals to 120. So A is incorrect because this is not a factorial result, and letter C is also incorrect because it does not represent the permutation of five distinct persons, and also letter D 100 is incorrect because seating arrangement follows factorials, not power of 10. Okay, let's have next number. Timer starts now. Okay, time is up. So the correct answer for this one is letter A, 20%. Because 15 over 75 multiplied by 100 is 20%. So B is incorrect because the computed value is much lower. Letter C, 30% is also incorrect because 30% of 75 is 22.5, not 15. And letter D, 40% is also incorrect because 40% of 75 is 30, not 15. Okay, let's have next number, number 39. Timer starts now. Okay, time is up. So the answer for this one is letter B, Malaya. Because ito ay sinaysay na malaya ang daloy, karaniwan ang paksa at parang nakikipag-usap lamang sa mambabasa. Letter A, malikain, is incorrect because ito ay tumutukoy sa sanaysay na malikhaing pagpapahayag, hindi lang karaniwan. Letter C, masining. Ito ay binibigyang diin ang sining at ganda ng salita, mas formal at stilisado. Letter D is maanyo. May sinusunod na tiyak na format at istruktura sa pagpapahayag. Let's have the last number for general education. Timer starts now. Okay, time is up. So the correct answer for this one is letter C, arbitrary. Arbitrary, ito ay nagpapahayag na ang wika ay napagkasunduan ng isang lahi o pangkat at naiintindihan ng lahat, kahit walang likas na koneksyon sa bagay na tinutukoy. A. Dinamiko ay hindi tama because ito ay tumutukoy sa pagbabago at pag-unlad ng wika sa paglipas ng panahon. B. Likas, wika ay likas o natural sa tao, hindi itinuturo o pinipilit. Letter D, masistema, is incorrect because ito ay tumutukoy sa may ayos at istruktura ang wika, may gramatika at tuntunin. Yan lang po at maraming salamat.